Good morning, students. In the last video, you saw the explanation of heat capacity and specific heat capacity. I am really sorry. I tried to have a live class, but due to poor connectivity, I couldn't. That was why I was forced to send the video. Anyhow, let us continue with the thing. That is specific heat capacity. As explained in the video, the amount of heat energy required to raise the temperature of unit mass of a substance by 1 Kelvin or 1 degree Celsius is called specific heat capacity of that substance. And specific heat capacity is the characteristic property of the material. Okay? Now, over there, you have already seen specific heat capacity of water is very high, perhaps the highest among common substances which we deal with. It is approximately equal to 4200 joule per kilogram per Kelvin or 4200 joule per kilogram per degree Celsius. It can be written as 4200 joule per kilogram per degree Celsius also. Any one of these can. Now, one important point, as we explained to you earlier through videos, 1 Celsius degree is equal to 1 Kelvin. 1 Kelvin is not equal to 1 Celsius, but 1 Celsius degree is equal to 1 Kelvin. That means the difference between 2 Celsius degrees equal to the difference between the temperatures measured in Kelvin. Because there is a linear relation, that is the temperature measured in Kelvin, which we denote in block letter T, is equal to 273 plus T degree Celsius or T Kelvin. More clearly we can write T Kelvin is equal to 273 plus whatever T over here, the measurement in Celsius degree should be added to 273. Whatever measurement we are getting, that should be added with 273. For example, if we are getting 30 degrees Celsius, it is equal to 273 plus 30, that is 303 Kelvin. Just by adding 273 to the measurement given, just by adding 273 to the measurement taken in Celsius scale, we will get the temperature on Kelvin scale, and just by subtracting 273 from the measurement on Kelvin scale, we will get the temperature on Celsius scale. For example, if we have a temperature 300 Kelvin, it is equal to 300 minus 273 degree Celsius, it is equal to 27 degree Celsius. Okay. 300 Kelvin is equal to 300 minus 273 degree Celsius, that is 27 degree Celsius. Now, suppose we have boiling point of water. Boiling point of water is equal to 100 degrees Celsius. It is equal to 100 plus 273 Kelvin. While writing Kelvin, don't put degree over there. That is equal to 373 Kelvin. Right? Okay, that is just for the knowledge. I told you these things. But now we are talking about the specific heat capacity and this high specific heat capacity of water. We have some natural phenomena. At the same time, intentionally we make use of this high specific heat of water. One by one, let us see. We all know we have a moderate climate in the areas near seashore, a moderate climate. For example, we know we have extreme weather, extreme climatic conditions in Bihar. We have extreme cold during winter and very hot weather condition during summer. But when we go to places like Mumbai, Calcutta, Trivandrum, in such areas we don't have this problem. They have almost moderate weather or climatic conditions throughout the year. The reason is high specific heat of water and the presence of sea over there. Suppose we take the example of Mumbai. You know, Mumbai is on the seashore. There we have Arabian Sea. There, water has very high specific heat. And when we compare the specific heat capacity of water and land, land surface means almost sand over there. Specific heat capacity of water is almost 5 times the specific heat capacity of land surface. And as a result, water body heats up very slowly because of high specific heat capacity. As well as water body cools down very slowly. Water body means sea or sea surface or the air above sea. Takes more time to become hot during daytime, as well as it takes more time to cool down during night. So, at night, land surface cools down faster. So the air above sea is warmer as compared to the air above land surface. And as a result, the air above sea rises up. So a low pressure area is created above the sea. So as you know, air from the land moves towards the sea, causing land breeze. And just opposite of the things happen during daytime. So because of the land breeze and sea breeze, the weather or the climatic conditions become a moderate one. That is an advantage of high specific heat of water, and it is a natural phenomenon.